I have been managing SEO projects for clients since 2019, and let me tell you, it can get overwhelming very fast. With so many moving parts like keyword research, content creation, link building, and technical fixes, it's easy to feel lost or unorganized. And whether you are managing full SEO campaigns for local businesses, e-commerce stores, or SaaS companies, it's clear that you must have a solid project management process to deliver the consistent results to your clients. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so when it comes to managing SEO projects, one of the biggest hurdles agency owners face is staying organized. Happened to me as well in the past with so many tasks happening simultaneously like keyword research, content development, and link building. It's easy to lose track of what needs to be done and when. And if you don't have a clear system in place, things can quickly fall apart. This is very reason you can't grow or scale into a bigger business because not having a system means you have to do things from the start for each project. The solution to this challenge is getting SOPs in place for anything and everything you do on daily basis. If you're just starting out, it will be you building them, and later on it will be your team assisting you with it. Doesn't matter what, even if you are clicking a button on any website, you should have it written in the form of SOP in a document. Not joking at all.
I'm being serious.
We do it this way, and I'm so proud that we were able to implement that. So what you will want to do is, let's say it's for building citations for a local business. Create a Loom video of you building those citations and verbally explain each step. Once you are done, get the transcript from Loom and feed that to ChatGPT. Now ask ChatGPT to build a step-by-step SOP out of it. You can't imagine how amazing the results are. Now create a separate Google Doc and paste that SOP there with embedded video from Loom. Next time when you want someone to build the citations, you don't need to explain it. Even 100 team members can follow the exact same procedure and it's a copy of yours. That is how you would do it. Same is the case with keyword research, content writing, and link building. Another challenge is keeping your team aligned. Whether you are working with in-house staff, freelancers, or even you partner with other agencies to take things off your plate, communication breakdowns can lead to missed deadlines, incomplete tasks, or sometimes duplicate work. Now, multiply these issues when managing various clients. You can imagine how big this problem can be. As for communication, I prefer async communication. As I explained in my SEO productivity system video, asynchronous communication is any type of communication where two people aren't expected to be present at the same time when you are available. Basically, this means when you send an asynchronous message, you don't expect an immediate response like you would on Slack, WhatsApp, Discord, or Skype. The async approach helps with saving the time and really non-interrupted communication. For that, we use email and Trello boards for all projects and all type of clients. So when the team is at work, they can check the email and they can mention anything concerning by tagging the right person inside Trello. I have used Asana and ClickUp as well, but Trello is so simple and easy to use. We don't even have to explain the team members how to use it, but we do. For the day-to-day communication, I have tried WhatsApp, then Skype, then Slack, all in sequence, but the most reliable and efficient is Discord. Although it's meant for gamers, we have been using it without any issues for the past 1.5 years now. It doesn't have an option to send voice messages on desktop, so all communication goes through the text and key things are presented in bullet points by all team members. Again, we use it for any type of messages that can be an email or can be done inside Trello. For example, you need something urgent to be implemented by the end of working day, or simply greeting the employees, or generally asking something about the project. For remote teams and contractors we work with, the best software of all to meet them is Zoom. It is integrated with our Calendly as well, and I concluded this after using Google Meet, Skype, and Microsoft Teams for meetings. Now, there's client side of things. Clients often want regular updates and reports on what's done, what you are working on, and what's the plan moving forward. If your project isn't well managed, you struggle to keep them informed. Plus, without clear timelines and progress tracking, clients can become frustrated feeling like their project isn't moving fast enough. This is especially the case with link building. For example, for our clients, we build links through Outreach and they don't care how many emails we have sent or how far we communicated with the webmaster to get the link live. All they would care about is the number of links that we acquired in that month on the criteria we agreed upon. Though there are a lot of software in the market and you can certainly opt for them, but simple Google Sheet integrations always win the game. For fully managed SEO campaigns, we prefer to go with Looker Studio, and for link building campaign, it's a custom Google Sheet report. Even if you are starting out, I would suggest not to make it complex, but just make sure whatever you are opting for can serve multiple clients at once. For example, when we were not using Trello, I made 7 Google Sheets and integrated all of them in one master sheet that was pulling data from different sources and assigned tasks to relevant team members. Same goes for the client side. I created a master Google Sheet that updated clients on what we are working on and what are the next action items in content or links. For all of our white label clients who outsource their work, we do custom reporting for them that they can use to present to their clients. Two of the best software I know know are A- and agency analytics. The challenges I have explained make it clear that without an effective project management process, you're not just risking delays, you're risking the quality of work and client satisfaction. But with the right system, you can solve all of these issues.
You just need a little guidance, that's all.
Now, let's talk about how Trello fits into managing SEO projects. If you've never used Trello before, it's a visual tool that helps you track tasks across different stages of a project. We use it for managing full SEO campaigns, link building projects, and even orders because it's simple, customizable, and keeps everything in place. Here's how we set it up. Each client gets their own Trello board where we create lists for different stages of SEO process, like to do, in progress, under review, or completed. Within each list, we add cards for individual tasks. So for a local SEO campaign, you might have cards for keyword research, on-page optimization, citation building, and content creation. Each card contains all the details related to that specific task, including deadlines, team members assigned to it, and any relevant links or files. The great thing about Trello is that you can tag team members, set due deadlines, and even automate some actions with Trello's built-in feature. For example, we have set it up so that when a task moves from in progress to under review, the relevant team member gets notified automatically. This keeps everyone aligned and prevents tasks from falling through the cracks. Whether you are working with small team or managing multiple freelancers, Trello simplifies the project management. It's a system that can scale with your business as you grow. I mentioned Looker Studio for client reporting in fully managed SEO campaigns. It allows you to integrate data from different sources like Google Analytics, Search Console, and third-party tools all in one dashboard. The benefit of this approach is that clients can log in and view live reports at any time, giving them full transparency without needing constant email updates. Also, I don't like to keep bugging the clients by email unless it's sort of a project where emails are needed, such as redesigning a website or technical fixes. For link building projects, we stick to a simple setup, custom Google Sheets. In the sheets, we track the number of links built, their source, and the criteria we agreed upon with the client. This is much easier for clients to follow and give them a clear snapshot of the progress. Plus, Google Sheets are easy to share and customize, so clients can even sort and filter data themselves if needed. If you're an agency and looking for someone to partner up to manage SEO and link building for your clients, reach out to me using the link in the description. Alright, most of what I discussed in this video was focused on SEO itself for a project. But one thing that's often overlooked but incredibly important is client onboarding. How you onboard your clients sets the tone for the entire project. A smooth onboarding process ensures that everyone is on the same page from day one and helps them avoid misunderstandings later on. Now, as a first step, it's a kickoff call. Doesn't matter if you're gonna manage their entire digital marketing, including paid and organic, this call is essential because it helps you gather all necessary information directly from the client. We set the timeline and, more importantly, their expectations for the project. We also take this time to explain what they can expect in terms of communication and reporting. This sets clear expectations right from the start, which is very important for any project to avoid issues down the line. The next step is important, especially when you are managing a full SEO campaign for a client, and on top of it, when you want to do a deep dive audit. Let it be content or technical audits, so it's to gather project details. This includes access to their website, Google Analytics, Google Search Console, domain registrar, hosting, website admin or CMS logins, Cloudflare if they implemented it, and other tools we will need to execute the project. We also request any existing documentation or reports they might have, such as previous SEO audits or keyword search, so we can get a clear picture of where things stand. To keep things organized, we use a shared Google Drive folder where clients can upload all of the documents. This ensures that everything is in one place and both parties can easily access important files at any time. Again, for the project management suite I referred to earlier, it works the same way. Although we create the folders manually, but that can be automated too if you are executing things on scale. After getting the project details, the next step is to create the project roadmap. It outlines the specific tasks and deliverables over the next 90 days. Once made, we stick to the plan unless there is a big decision maker that comes into play in those 90 days. This roadmap includes key milestones like keyword research, content optimization, technical fixes, and link building. We make sure to share this roadmap with the client so they have a clear understanding of what will happen and when. This also gives them a sense of progress and reassures them that things are moving forward. We also set up communication channels during onboarding. For us, that means creating a Trello board specifically for that client and sharing it with them so they can follow along. We prefer async communication using email and Trello to provide updates, assign tasks, and keep track of progress. This ensures that there is no need for constant back and forth messaging, but clients can still see exactly where the project stands anytime. You don't want to juggle things up while managing multiple project management tools. But in one case. Let's say you are working as a white label SEO agency, you may need to adapt things according to the client or the other agency. Last but not the least, I highly recommend creating client education documents of SOPs as you grow. Just like you help your team members to deliver the projects, you can create a short, quick explainer videos on how they can use, let's say, Looker Studio, or if they need to request anything, how they can do so, and more videos like this depending on the type of clients you serve. You can even share my relevant videos with them if needed. Before I go, if you're looking for an enterprise solution for your team with everything in one place from chats, documents, meetings, workflows, project management, Lark Suite can be the best solution of all. By enterprise, I mean if you have 100 plus team members, it can manage everything in one place. I haven't personally used it, but one of my friends recently recommended this. That's it for this video. I hope these tips were helpful for you guys. If so, smash that like button, and I will really appreciate if you can share it within your SEO community or any other agency owner you know of. You can watch my previous video on hiring employees for your SEO agency here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.